arrested. Ogechi that came to Nigeria to do ombule have been arrested. I go lie for you. I feel lie for you. Ebrule, Eke have go bala ogonyoshi. Forget that thing that you are seeing them post on her page. Na her admin they post them. Eke real ogonyoshi. Police don't carry them. So if you know Ogonyoshi have posted your noodles, come and write petition. How much is lawyer? Bia their petition. Bia Mirabel, this is time to write your own petition. Oh God, Mirabel. Where are you, Ogechi Benko? Ogechi Benko, what ticket to 2 million naira in Nigeria? Bia their petition. God will now fight you people's battle. Forget the self-claimed settlement. Come and write your petition. If you know Ogonyoshi have defamed you, come and write petition. Makaneke Rielo Ogonyoshi right now. Eke have go boala Ogonyoshi right now. So if you know Ogonyoshi defrauded you with her fraudulent NGO, be the petition, okay? Come and write your petition. Okay, come back. They will not do anything. Ogonyoshi, come back. They are Uswenwahano. Atura hapur Ogoshi bi na Chicago. Ye shi Kotonu. Repata na Nigeria. Ogonyoshi did not pass through Nigerian airport. If I'm lying, let her bring the picture she snapped at Nigerian airport. Ogonyoshi wutra na toilet and go hide the ganga. Eke dariria. Ogoshi, if it's sure for you, show us the pictures you took at Nigerian airport. You that immigration is looking for you. Give what they wanted in immigration. Ishi Kotonu, Repatana Nigeria, Ebrugin Okada, Bufegi Kotonu border. Allegedly. Give Patana Nigeria, be go shi onwegi. Be go shi that only man in there, man. Be go shi onwegi. In a go question. Give one metam mena go question. Be go shi onwegi or Ogonyoshi. Look at you, cheap ass bitch. You can't even get an escort for yourself. So all these years you spent in Chicago, you cannot even import even one car that will drive you around. You weren't even able to afford escort to police. Give me swari police on your zo. Ne swari DSS woke or on your so or. Ikabatoye test rogi. Now, why didn't they follow you to that hotel where they carried you? Everybody made day break. Ilaya na hotel eba huru Ogechi anola nga huru oto. Ama na ihe mere Ogechi ji lọta Nigeria wu ko were oto ya. Ima na ọ na-anọ na di agba ashawo. Ko were oto Chineke nyere ya were settle all those men, all those contacts o feeling no nwetara ọhụrụ. Eke agụ gbala ya. Where are all those your contacts? Where those your contacts them dey? See, if your husband comes out to bell Ogechi, manana diga na Ogechi auto. These 2 days Ogechi no na Nigeria. If your husband atura he porodi puta to sign shorty for Ogechi's bail term, manana digi atura he lo so wudi na Ogechi. Yes, I said it. And Ogechi ana ala auto. Ma digi wa American citizen, moga puta and stoop solo to bell Ogonyoshi makana Oluchitere digo on social media. The church. The biggest mistake in the church game at this time is to come out to vouch for Ogechi. The biggest mistake you church people will do is to come out to bell Ogechi. That is the beginning of your downfall. That is the beginning of the downfall of that ministry. I advise I'm getting you before Yesu. If you people will come out to bell Ogechi, maka contact unuji, mo maka ego unuji, that will be the beginning of that ministry's downfall. Happen no Ogonyoshi. Otunushi happen ijere inside jail. She gonna otaho. Happen Ogonyoshi ke deal with her. Meta mo Ogonyoshi. Meta mo Ogonyoshi urere bi na Chicago. Kare kwara ogolu chiterunu these few months. Kalekwara ihe Ogechi na-emetala na this internet. O kalekwara ogo na aluchitere unu these few 2 days or 3 days. Na aso chitere unu ụtọ. Una na si ya come back, nothing will happen. Come back, nothing will happen. Where is Akwa Okuko? Where are you? Petition this bastard. Akwakuko, where are you? Akwakuko, this bitch mentioned your name and said fuck about you. Oh God. Akwakuko lebe na wanne mo. Totoro nyara tiranya na prison. Chimarin Temple 2021. Ogechi Kotoro. Oh God. Chimarin, where are you? Petition her. I like him the way Chimarin not in our government itself. Petition Ogechi. Anna put your American passport, yeah. She will rot in jail. Chineke Oyoko. Onyoshi no but I know me. Imana no go onyoshi defraud or like with a fraudulent NGO that does not have a government registered number. Please come and petition her. On Nigeria. Oberi Milani ombele. Oberi go share you know better Nigeria. Oberi go share you know when ha game ya. Ogo onyoshi they don't humble you. Even if say that one day you sleep for jail, they don't humble you. Ihe niile ji Governor Eziokwu call. Ihe niile ji JPAC call. I like him the move they took. Hey, I like him the move Governor Eziokwu took. Look at how tattered you are, Ogochi. Look at how bitching you are, Ogochi. Look at the hotel Ogechi no. The kind of hotel Ogechi no. I can't even sleep there, man. Hotel room 30,000 naira. Le bed. Konya na gidero auto since abale. Le bed ogonyo shi dinner n'elu ya. Ka na wala ya to since 3 hours or 8 hours. N'elu bed ahụ. So ogonyo shi hi lọtara Nigeria we iji ọhụ mpataka ga gwọrọ agwọ. Esatulu ndị niile elogara ọgụ since. Ka ha bigi contact ndị DSS. Ka ha bigi contact AIG, GIP. Ka ha bigi contact ije eme case. Chineke akpọdala gọkụ. Chineke akpọla gọkụ ogonyo shi. Ogochi bi na Chicago. Ogonyoshi nwanyo ya rere Chineke akpọla gọkụ. Ihushila anya taa. Ama m ikwa esuarịga dị ndị mmadụ. Shameless dị ndị mmadụ wo. Ka ịlọta Nigeria bịa ara ahụ ọtụ ka ha gwa gị that nothing is happening. Lee akụmbe nyega gị hope. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Nwoke amụ ya dị ndị. Without chigbara okwu ya. A man I cannot even putawakwam na woka joro okonjo. She burere bu handbag. Thrifted handbag. Okrika handbag she Chicago. Lata na Nigeria. Lonyo she I watch him video ngona na abu catfish pepper soup obo. Ogoshi akpande ibu ya from Chicago. Akpande dika okrika. Ogechi you a low life. You were low life. On social media, iti ala filter. America, America, they are useless. Look at the kind of bag you are carrying, bitch. I was an institution, Bendan select handbags. So you back, onye better daybreak. I'm going to go on your show. Olosho. Obra Nigeria be show be made daybreak. That is why she carried 3 thrifted handbags. No luggage bag. On when the horse in house comes to Taranda. Mogoda comes to Tarandem again auto. At least you for buy something from the again auto. Ndi bagi jot to a settle. Aturu dindem madina be jot to a settle. You don't buy anything for the people where you won't give for show free. Give bro thrifted handbags she Chicago yellow. I'm not here around. Or na Facebook on Ghana. You couldn't even buy a car. You couldn't even afford escorts. Or where is Ibaki? Or where is Ibaki? Ogechi Njaka Nigeria. Oberi made the break short time. I can pump Mbomchi. I saw one Mbomchi. I told you this girl wonya show. Iga wagida show Ogechi Njaka. Thank God on this and you won Anambra State. Because I wouldn't say you won Imo State now. What in Imo State shame? I want to shame. If you wagida show, Iga make it the auto settling. Iga bagida Nigeria from Chicago to Nigeria. Be me Mbomchi. Ishio to anugi he, aparo to anugi he, gonjompi to ganugi he. Imane na no ino na di diobole you must stay in that marriage uruko onya ashawo. Agwara that most of the customers Ogechi na Lagos Anube Hama no Ogechi wo onya ashawo. Yesterday I met one man who said no Ogechi auto. No go onyo shioto. This is how raw for it. And all more plan. Iga abagida show. Iga me give them bomb cheap body go tell you. Ibuari wabede handbag and da kuna. Ibuari wabede anda kuna na kware. Ikwari wabedi. I promise la hana. Ike gisara mbaramba. Ka ebe nye hoto. Ka ha nye gi contact DSP. Nye gi contact in the DSS. Nye gi contact in them. Ki send them mad case. I love the fact say they humble you. Even if say na one day you spend for jail, they try. Even if say na 30 minutes in on na that police custody, I love that fact that nobody be you. Those people where they fight for you, they cannot buy Nigerian judiciary. They can't. Nigerian judiciary. Akwa ego ha butere na wayo. Ego ha du putere ndem mmadụ. Asibulata ebulata. O ego ha ja luchitere go owo. Body go tell you ogo nyoshi. I'm atoro gashi. 6 feet tall girl ga atoro gashi. Never. I like remote you mudegi na hotel on get high digga. Next time, you tell your SSCs. I'm coming back for you. But
thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Stay connected on this channel. Subscribe. Bye.